Go for the quick for the boss, had to step again. Yeah, what me say me have a feeling. We are gonna live it just like we dream it. All this money stuck to the ceiling. T-stocks, can you tell me what's the meaning? Yo, killer white pre chop chop. Terms just pull up in my mad block. In a the traffic ever have a Glock catch. Pussy them a actor, give them a Oscar. Yo, bring the white pre chop chop. Killer them a brave, girl I put the pass knock. Not your champion, but I know the practice. Girl I say she want the killer, she no want a gun back. Yo, my dog, them don't know about these elements. From the streets, man, I step no but I feel rotten pet. As the lip get pick right for swing no much.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me, the great, one more great country boy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell.
Well, that was the great. One more great country boy. Him say boy, him want do a intro. So I make country boy do it. But now, I want to watch the baddest movie on the planet. YANK You Ain't No Killa. Episode 2 part 3. It's about to drop right now. So stay tuned and watch this. Courtesy of Karma G5. So you can check out all this part 2 episode 2 on Karma G5 YouTube channel. But for now, I want you to sit back and watch this episode. YANK You Ain't No Killa, episode 2, part 3. And I not like the intro song where them used to start this part of the movie, Wicked. The movie are Wicked. So sit back and watch this. My name is Countryman. I'm out.
Just gonna ask you some questions, bro.
Because I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, man.
Just here to ask you some questions. That's it. So, all this bad man thing, cut it out now.
So
What's your arrest here, brother?
Arrest someone? What? I don't know what you're talking about.
Yo, you want me to arrest you? Take your fucking time.
Hurry up and ask you, but waste of time.
And some other things to deal with, so you just sit down right here, don't go from here. Because I'm gonna arrest you. You understand what I'm saying? Hi, Jennifer. Counted for. Counting 4. TTSG. Toronto Metropolitan Police.
Metropolitan Toronto Police. Oh, what's TTSP?
Trinidad and Tobago Special Police. We're in a joint task force investigating the murder of Dennis Campbell, your boyfriend, aka the Grinch. So, do you have anything to tell me?
The grit. You mean Dennis? Yeah, I was at the scene of the murder, but you actually think I had something to do with this?
No, that's not what I'm saying. When the cops came, you were locked in the bathroom. What happened? Did you hear anything?
Okay, so listen, this is all I know of what happened. I met this guy, SD. We went back to one of Dennis's spots. We were hanging out for a bit. I got up and went to the bathroom. I don't know what happened. I ended up getting locked in the bathroom. I think I heard the door open one or two times. And all I heard was gunshots. I don't know what happened. I don't even know how much time passed, but all I remember is the cops coming at some point, opening the door for me. And I walk out the door and all I see is he was dead, like just, that was it. I was so upset and worked out. I don't even know what happened. Like that's all I know. That's all I heard.
Give me a description of this SD guy. What does he look like?
All I know is he had dreads. They were covered over his face. He said something about Chicago. He had like I guess an accent. Sounded American. It's really all I know.
Okay.
And what do you mean by there's a long list of bad things about him? Like, Dennis was always good to me. He's hardworking. He never did anything bad. Like, what is that?
Well, this list I'm looking at here right now, everything this man done. He's wanted in Trinidad. He's wanted in the US, Mexico. What? Yo, he's wanted all over the place. 10 kids. What kind of father this man is, man? Anyway. He's down here for murder, extortion. Whoa. Your boyfriend really got a long rap sheet, man. Most of all, he's wanted in Jamaica, where he's the leader of the Hot Skull Gang. He's warring with the world general.
Murder? Extortion? Like, how is he wanted in all these places? And on top of that, he has 10 kids? Can I get a glass of water?
It's okay. No, don't cry. I'm gonna get you some water. And these guys, man. These guys. I got one to deal with outside there right now. And everything's, I'm done with you and everything's gonna be alright, okay? Be back with the water. Yo, no, me really have no time for you, bro. It's about to tell me what's going on. It only have two places for you, bro. I'll tell you where it is. It's either in jail or in a casket. And I go do it.
Where you will see? The same thing me see. Not one bumbo class shit that me a talk about. So tell you what, you want me to tell you say breeze with that blow. Leave a fall. Tell you, man. Furthermore, best you talk to my lawyer. Because we say how you smart time I gotta go.
Will you work with me? Yo. Slow down. Yo. Talk to your brother. Free up. You're going up in the grave now. By fucking me.
Hey, Detective Ford. The case is yours. Take the case.
Alright. Thanks, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.